This video is all about how to cut your own hair. I'm using the Buzz Buddy clippers from the Cut Buddy. No guard, lever open, setting in our first guideline, connect the bottom of the vertical bars near the top of my ear. Something unique about this trimmer that I actually like is the 360-degree swivel head. It allows you to twist and turn it so you could find comfortable angles when you're cutting your hair. Not to mention you can adjust the tilt of the blade, which is super helpful when you're trying to see what you're doing. Once I'm satisfied with the left side, I'm just going to clip my hair out of the way and get started on the right side. I've actually flipped the clippers upside down. This gives me a better angle to see what I'm doing, to make sure I really get that line straight. Another thing I like about the trimmer is just how quiet it is. Even though it has a really powerful motor of 7,000 RPM, it's not blasting your ears. Getting started with the actual fading process, I'm putting on my number 2 guard. I'm using the left side. This is 5 to 9 millimeters, lever open. And what I'm doing is I'm essentially trying to debulk. I'm going as far up as I can and making sure to flick out at the top. This will get most of the bulk down to one length. The key thing as we go down these lever positions, the more you close the lever, the closer you should get to your original guideline. So when the lever was completely open, I was going all the way at the top. As I'm now at halfway, I am near the midway point between the top and the guideline that I set. Now with the lever closed, I'm just barely flicking at that line that I set in. Now with the number 1 left taper guard, our only goal right now is to soften that harsh guideline that we set. So we're doing the same technique. We're flicking up with the lever open, then we're going to move down to halfway and then to closed. But the key thing that we're keeping in mind is we're not trying to set in another guideline right now. We are simply trying to soften. So as we're moving our way down, that line is slowly getting lighter and lighter. Now that we've softened up that line, we're going to completely take it out using the trimmer. I'm using the 3 millimeter guard right now, and we are just flicking up from that line. I'm not going too far up. I'm being very, very cautious with this because you can always go further up, but you cannot put the hair that you took off back onto your head. So be cautious with it. Take your time and just doing very light strokes. Think of it like a pencil, like this is an art project that you're doing right now. You're just lightly flicking up to get that kind of blend transition in. Now swapping to the 2 millimeter guard, we're doing the same thing. We're just not going as high as we did with the 3 millimeter one. So we're just lightly flicking at that line, attempting different angles, trying to soften it up, trying to get more of that transition in there. Sometimes this takes a few tries, but if you go slowly, you could always add more detailing. You could always go back to a certain area. You could always touch it up. Now moving on to the 1 millimeter guard. This is the smallest guard that we have right now. We're attempting to fully take out that line. This is how it looks after detailing. I'm pretty satisfied with the result, so we're just going to move on to the next side, and we're going to zoom through this doing the exact same steps. We're going with the number 2 guard first, and we're softening up that line. We're debulking. Then we're going to close the lever bit by bit as we get closer to that guideline. Putting on the number 1 guard now, doing the exact same steps, but we're hitting a little bit lower than before. Also, make sure to be brushing your hair in between this. You want the hair to lay down flat. After we're done that step, we're going to go in with the trimmer. Flicking away at that line. Focusing on technique. Now we're going down to the 2 millimeter. Followed up by the 1 millimeter, our lowest guard. And feel free to switch around the trimmer position. I'm throwing in a mix of going with the grain and against the grain. It all comes down to personal preference at the end of the day. This is the final result. If you want to try out these clippers for yourself, the link for those will be down below in the description. That's all for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.